Hi guys, so we're gonna be making squash soup today. Soup joumou. Okay. So this is the ingredients. Today is November 29. New Year's right around the corner. So I'm making this now. So just in case if one of you guys, Haitian American, that want to celebrate soup joumou for the new year, so you can have an idea, what you're gonna be doing and what to get. Okay, this is the ingredients right there. This is my beef. I prepared this beef since yesterday. I seasoning it last night, and this is my seasoning. I made this before. You guys saw how I made it before. I have a video of it before. I'm gonna use tomato paste on it, a little bit of tomato paste, and a little bit of this seasoning. We don't use Maggi anymore, so we don't use Maggi over here. We got the thymes, we got the rosemary, okay, 2 tomatoes, celery. We're not gonna use the whole celery. We're gonna use about like maybe 4 of them, okay? So this is what we're gonna be using right here. And also use a little bit of spaghetti also, or ziti, spaghetti or ziti. Not a lot of that. So there you go. So this is the beef. We're just gonna cover it up and then leave it steam for about 5 to 7 minutes. You have to put a lot of water on it, as much water as you want to blend it with, because the same water that boil this is the same water that we're gonna use to blend it. I'm gonna put a little bit more water in it. I'm put a full put of this on it, but I'm gonna put more. I already put 60 ounces of water on it, so I'm gonna put about like 32 ounces more. You can see I add another 32 ounces of water on it. Now you can see the water floating on it, so you can see it floating on the water. Yes guys, as you can see, 99% of this video shot handheld, so this is the first time I put it on the tripod here. Like I said, remember that the ziti come last, so I'm putting the ziti in last. Because I don't want to overcook it, so that's why I put it last. And my jalapeno. So the way you see the jalapeno like this, it's not pimples. I know they look like pimples, but it's all cloves. You stab it with a lot of cloves and stuff like that. I'm missing a couple spots here, but I went out of cloves. And then now we're gonna cover it up. We're gonna steam it, let it boil for the next 10 minutes, probably. You see? Yeah.